Welcome to our video on how to identify if your water heater needs replacement. Having a properly functioning water heater is crucial for your daily activities like showering, cooking, and cleaning. In this video, we will guide you through the signs that indicate your water heater may need to be replaced. One of the first factors to consider when determining if your water heater needs replacement is its age. Most water heaters have a lifespan of around 8 to 12 years. If your water heater is near or over this age range, it may be time to start thinking about replacing it. Another sign that your water heater may need replacement is if you notice rusty or discolored water coming out of your faucets or shower heads. This can be an indication of rust or corrosion inside the tank, which is a clear sign that your water heater is deteriorating and needs attention. If you begin to hear strange noises like popping, banging, or rumbling sounds coming from your water heater, it could be a sign of sediment buildup. Over time, sediment can accumulate at the bottom of the tank, causing these noises and reducing the efficiency of the heater. Consider replacing it if the problem persists. Frequent leaks around the water heater are a definite red flag. If you notice water pooling around the unit or any signs of leakage, it's essential to address the issue promptly. Constant leaks can indicate a major problem with the tank or its components, requiring immediate replacement. If you find that your water is not heating up as it should or it takes longer for the water to reach the desired temperature, it could be a sign of a failing water heater. Inadequate heating performance is an indication that the unit is struggling to keep up with your hot water demands and may need to be replaced. Keep an eye on your energy bills. If you notice a sudden and significant increase in your utility bills, it could be attributed to an inefficient water heater. As the unit ages, it becomes less energy efficient, resulting in higher energy consumption and costs. Consider replacing the unit with a newer, more energy-efficient model. In conclusion, it's important to be aware of the signs that indicate your water heater needs replacement. Pay attention to the age of your water heater, rusty water, strange noises, frequent leaks, inadequate heating, and increased energy bills. If you notice any of these signs, it's recommended to consult a professional plumber to assess your water heater and determine if replacement is necessary.